Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video. This time I'm reviewing the Beetles Crystal Ball Gel Polish Collection. This was sent to me by Beetles for review, and thank you so much. They are so pretty. When I tell you, like, I've used Beetles before. My daughter loves Beetles polishes. When I got back into nails, I was ordering them like on Amazon and stuff, but seriously, they are just so freaking adorable. So look how nice they actually changed the packaging, it looks like. So you get 6 beautiful colors. They're 0.25 fluid ounces each. Now these are like a mood changing type polish, which I love. So it just basically reacts to like hot and cold. So you will see as I apply the polish, it kind of changes, but in such a magical way. So, and I kid you not, it's like magic. So here is one of the polishes. I just wanted to show you the creaminess, the opaqueness of it. And I am going to let this video run so you can see the swatches, and then I did some on my own nails, but it is absolutely so fun to work with. So pretty and so affordable. So I highly recommend Beetles polish in any collection, but this is called the Crystal Ball, which this is absolutely one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.